Hey y'all, I've had a lot of people asking me to do videos about the sawmill. I've been recording a lot of sawing because we saw about every day. We have customers that bring logs in and we saw them up for them and we sell them for about 50 cents a board foot. I just haven't had time to put any of those videos together, really. So I thought while I was waiting on the bus, because I can see the bus stop from here, I would just video real quick. This is about a 98 Timber King. Correct me when I'm wrong. It's a bandsaw, portable. It's about can do up to 30 feet. Daddy's standing at the controls. It's got two motors. One that controls the actual saw blade. And we usually run about 1,200 pounds of pressure on the blade, and then we have the backstops, the log dog, the actual, what do you call this whole thing right there?
Carriage. The
carriage goes up and down, and then the thingamajigs that put the log on the thingamabob.
Log loaders.
Log loaders. My brain is not functioning today. So anyway, originally Dad's, and I've kind of taken it over because I love it so. But anyway, that was an order, and then back there's more, and there's more. So if you're in our area and you need some rough cut lumber, we do it for 50 cents a board foot. Just let us know. Doing is he's taking the pressure off of the blade right now. I just turned both of the motors off. We are gonna leave this chunk of cherry.
12'3".
Hey, that's a chunk of cherry. Yeah. Look at that. Can you imagine that as a table? That'd be gorgeous. So it is for sale. If I can not trip, fall, and bust my tail here. But yeah.